Hey, it's W5HRO. I have a quick update. I did pick up another piece to go with this original Japanese FT-101BS, and that's the VFO. And it's same color, everything. Look at that, all matches. Now there's also an external speaker and a frequency counter. I'll grab those in time. I'll find ones that look like almost new, and I'll get those too and put with it when I get it all working. And I've got the matching amp to go with it. So I think the amp might be a little bit, the ground is the same color. I don't know, it might be. These two are not quite 100% identical, but they're awful close. I think this one's just yellowed, but these colors are the same, the trim colors. It probably was this color. This is just probably dirty. When I clean it, maybe it'll lighten up a little bit. But just wanted to show you that I got the FV-101B VFO for it. So it's just like the Heathkit Novice station that I still have sitting over here, and I've got to, when I get the shop out there cleaned up, that's all going to go out there. So this is going to be another, that's going to be the complete novice setup for the Heathkit series, and then this is going to be the complete Yaesu 101B series stuff, so two separate projects. Anyway, that's all for now, 73s. I am keeping this one short. I always say this is going to be a short update, and I wind up making it a 15 or 20 minute video. This one's less than 2 minutes, 73s.